Good morning, everyone. Today I am Sarthak Chandrol here. I am going to make a Karamat product. It's a ready to eat product. It's no artificial color, no pesticides. So, today I am going to make one of the best Moong Dal Halwa mix. It's a Moong Dal Halwa. You know, all dal is full of protein, and I also have this Gulab Jamun mix. So these all are ready to eat. So I'm making moong dal. Let's see. So this is my moong dal halwa mix packet. You can see it's Karamat, and it's written no artificial color and no preservative, and it's a 200-gram net weight, and for it can be for 4 servings. So let's start making. I cut the packing. Let me take it out. Moong Dal Halwa mix. We have many products from Karamat. Karamat is the great company. So let's cut the packet. In Karamat ready to eat products, everything is ready. We have to only do little efforts like boiling. So let me take out all the material. I am damn sure when you open the packet, the fragrance is very good. So I take it out all the paste of moong dal mix, and we have to use 250 ml water. 250 ml milk. It's room temperature milk. Do not put full milk on the batter. First add little milk, then mix it. If you add 250 milk once at a time, it is very difficult to dissolve all the lumps. So you can see we have to just mix it while checking there is no lumps. In the back side of the packet there is written also what are the ingredients in it. I saw one kesar strip. Actually in the ingredients list it is also written there. Everything you can see more kesar. Kesar is very good for fragrance and for taste and also for color. It's natural color actually now. So I mixed this, and now we have to kept it for 20 minutes for rest. So cover it, wait for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes I open the lid and see the bright color of kesar. Its fragrance is too good. So it is ready. Now let's cook it. So for cooking I took one non-stick fry pan. You can take any non-stick kadhai fry pan. We have to add only 1 teaspoon, but I am more ready to eat ghee, and this is ghee. You can add 1 teaspoon only ghee, because ghee is already present in it in the packet. I put all the mixture after resting for 20 minutes, and make sure you cook in medium to low flame, or we can cook in low flame only, just stirring it in low flame. Please cover the lid. We have to cook it until the ghee, means fat, separate Let's open. See, you can see it's now the consistency is little thick. It's going to be cooking, so make sure the material should not be stick in the bottom. Let again cover it. Make sure all the time flame should be low. You can see after some time its consistency. From now this consistency you have to continuously mix it. Do not cover it because now it's the position the material can stick. So I use some dry fruits, cashew, peanuts. So it's rains, so called kishmish, cashew or kaju. It's almond. According to your taste, you can, according to your choice, you can add any dry fruits. You can also add pista. So in low flame, continuously mix it. Make sure nothing should be stick. You can see the ghee separates from the halwa. You can see the ghee is separating. So it's the lobe position. Lobe means when the oil or ghee or any fat substance is separating from the material. That is the signal that our product is ready to eat. So let me switch off the flame, and you can see so good, it's so tasty, it's looking like Karamat. So thank you for watching.